VP Inday, welcome back to the Netherlands. Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm okay. Galing ako nagbisita kay President Duterte. And he's okay as well.
VP Inday, on behalf of the Filipino community of The Hague and all over the world, Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Happy New Year to everyone as well. And I wish everyone success, good health, and happiness, of course.
VP, is it okay for you kung meron ka man New Year's resolution for 2026?
Wala na, tigilan nga kayo. Parang, wala na. Wala na akong New Year's resolution kasi sa edad ko, natutunan ko na yung mga New Year's resolution, hindi talaga siya nasusunod. Kaya hindi na ako nag-New Year's resolution. Yung sabi nila, New Year's resolution ko, hindi na ako mag-soft drinks. It's good for 1 week. Pagkatapos ng 1 week, nag-soft drinks na yun. Kaya, huwag na.
VP Inday, political
Ikaw,
question.
ano ang New Year's resolution mo?
Na to stay healthy na lang, VP. Yun lang.
Stay healthy, ha?
Oo.
Pero ang junk food,
Wala na, hindi na mo palit. Hindi mo palit Japan. Slowly lang. Slowly.
ikaw, ma'am, anong New
Ikaw,
Year's
ma'am, daw.
resolution mo, ma'am?
Ako?
Ay, nakaglupan.
Oh, wala na, ito. Ilang araw lang, nalimutan na ang New Year's resolution. Ikaw, ma'am, ano? Ang New Year's resolution mo?
Healthy na ako. Healthy lang ako. Ako meron ko.
Ma'am.
Gusto ko bukas sa solusyon. Nakatibang pagkakaan sa buhay.
Oo. Yes. Para ano? Para ipakita natin sa mundo yung mali na ginawa kay former President Duterte.
Pakita natin sa mundo kung paano magugugo ang puso natin.
Paano nililigpit yung table sa gabi?
Sa gilid lang, ma'am. Diyan.
Lagay lang.
Pero yung may-ari dito, ma'am, gusto nila na i-remove muna yan because we are actually asking them to allow us to have it stay here. Kasi gusto nila na i-remove pero
May-ari, private ba ito?
Yes, for
Ito na property.
Donea. Donea ang name ng owner.
It is not just like one part of the government.
Kaya, government
They,
subsidized.
maintain this place.
Hindi na. Sige.
Okay, political question lang, ma'am. Nag-file na po ng impeachment complaint against PBBM. Meron po ba kayong reaction dito, ma'am?
Sa ngayon, wala pa. Hintayin natin ang mga susunod na mga araw kung meron akong reaction.
How about the seemingly
What?
obvious filing of impeachment complaint against you for next month after the lift of 1-year ban?
As expected, dahil sila din naman na ang nagsasabi lagi na magpa-file sila ng impeachment complaint. So, alam na natin yun na mangyayari yun. And as expected as well, magiging katulad lang din yan nung nakaraan na ginagawang fundraising ng mga members of the House of Representatives yung pagpirma nila sa impeachment. It's all about the money dyan.
VP, recently the International Criminal Court Office of the Prosecutor, through their social media platform, released a statement asking or appealing to the Filipino people who are allegedly victim of the war on drugs to come out and be a witness to the charges hurled against your father. What's your opinion to this move?
Attorney Nicholas Kaufman already gave a comment, So, his comment includes my opinion because we discussed it before he gave his statement on this matter. So, I reflect, my opinion reflects what Attorney Kaufman said.
Is there something that the former president wished to share to the Filipino people, ma'am, for this year 2026?
Unfortunately, hindi kami umabot sa usapan na ganyan. Ang napag-usapan namin kanina ay yung mga tao na nagpapaabot ng pangamusta sa kanya. Pag-usapan namin yung nagtanong siya sa mga anak ko, kamusta daw ang mga anak ko. Nagtanong siya sa mama ko, kamusta daw yung mama ko. So, baka bukas. First day pa kasi, so medyo all about personal affairs yung tanong. Let's see tomorrow.
I think that, mayroon ba kayong question, guys? Ano?
Any comment po sa conclusion po ng Blue Ribbon Committee about sa DPWH corruption?
I reflect din the sentiment of many. Masyadong, sorry, Blue Ribbon ito ng Senate pala,
Yes.
no? Hindi ito ICI. Oo, well, trabaho naman yan ng Senate at ang atin lang New Year's resolution dyan sa Blue Ribbon na ay sana meron ng mga managot sa nangyari.